Hi, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to crochet a roses, and you will need these materials right here. I used electric wire with 13 centimeter long 3.0 millimeter crochet hook and size 3 yarn. You also need darning needle, scissor, and a glue. For the leaf, you will do a slip knot, chain of 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, single crochet second chain from the hook, half double crochet, 1, half double crochet, 2, half double crochet, 3, and then slip stitch in the last chain. Make a chain and cut the yarn. For the sepal, this one, we will do a magic ring. Chain 1 and then 6 single crochet inside the ring, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then we will do a slip stitch in the first chain here, and then chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and we will do single crochet second chain from the hook, half double crochet, 1, half double crochet, 2, half double crochet, 3, and half double crochet in the last chain, and then slip stitch in the next chain, and repeat chain of 6, single crochet second chain from the hook, half double crochet in the next 4 chains, and slip stitch in the next chain. Repeat this for 3 more times. After the last 5, this one, half double crochet, do a slip stitch close to the next petal, skip the chain right there, and slip stitch on the next. Make a chain, leave a long tail, and cut the yarn. And hide the extra tail in the middle. And also transfer the yarn at the middle. For the flower, we will do a slip knot, chain of 20, and then half double crochet second chain from the hook, and do half double crochet each of the chain until to the end of the row. At the end of the row, chain 3, 2, 3, and then turn, and then we will do single crochet in the third chain, one, two, three, single crochet, and then chain of 3, 3, and then count 3, 1, 2, 3, do single crochet, and then chain 3 and single crochet in the third. Repeat this until to the end of the row. At the end of the row, you should have one chain left. We will do turn and do a double crochet in the space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and make a slip stitch in the single crochet in the middle here, slip stitch, and repeat 7 double crochet until to the end of the row. At the end of the row, make a chain and cut the yarn. For making the thorn of this stem, or the spike of the stem, you just need to make a knot 3 times on the same, like this, to make a spike.